Hey, this is Joe with USA DTF Transfers. I'm going to show you today. This is really a follow up on semi-transparency in your DTF transfers. I made a video. I believe it might have been last week. We made a video about it. This is follow up on it, so I can explain a little bit more, show you a little more how our website works and how you can how easy it really is. So, all right, here we go. Let's see. Let's check it out. All right, so let's go up into Photoshop. Okay, so this is an image that the customer had, and you can see all the semi-transparency in it around the edges. You can see how you can see through it. You know, you can see the shirt color behind it. All right, so color's off here because the picture was taken by phone, so that's why it looks different. But what happens in DTF is anything that DTF sees, it's going to put white under. It's called an underbase. So it's seeing the semi-transparency and it wants to put white under it. So you get that nasty white looking haze around it, and you can see that here on a different image. Terrible, terrible. This was all semi-transparent around this, the lightning bolts, and even the edges had semi-transparent pixels. And it's just so ugly and so terrible. This was the image printed without halftones, and then this one down here was printed with the halftones. So see that ugliness, ugly white haze, it's gone. And same over here with this one, the ugly white haze is gone. This is how it was supposed to look. Even on, you can see actually this blue in here is actually this color, but because the dots got so small, no whites under it. So since the inks themselves are semi-transparent because they're CMYK, there's no white under it. So it's the shirt color and this color is making the dots darker blue. So you can see on the edges here, so I'm really zoomed in. You could not see this. You can't see it when it's on the shirt, but you can see there's no white on the edges there, and that's the same color as these. So if the dots get too small, you really need to avoid the semi-transparency in DTF at all costs if you can. But let's check this out. Let's check this out real quick. All right, let's go on the website and show you quickly how to do this. So what you want to do is start your new game sheet and then go ahead and upload your image. And I'll upload this image here. And the software, see, it's going to detect semi-transparency. We detected a semi-transparent pixel in this image. Transparent images will not print correctly with DTF unless they are halftone. So you need to click on the halftone button, and this section will open. Give it a second to load up. Moving a little bit slow today, the computer is. Okay. So it defaults here to 50, which that is the dot size. So if you watch, we put it down here on 10, hit apply, the dots are humongous. So the lower the number, the bigger the dots. The higher the number, the smaller the dots. So you can see that right there. So what will happen if they're too small is what we're showing over here. Is they don't get white under, so shirt color is going to come showing through. But like if you're just trying to cure the semi-transparency around your letters or something like that, you want to set a high number, and that will eliminate it like it did on this image here. Okay, it eliminates all that, so you won't get any any white haze like this. We use it all the time to do that. So let's go back. Okay, so it really depends on your image, what size dot you need. And it's a good idea to, like I was saying, is try not to use semi-transparency if at all possible, because these dots will get really small, and again, there won't be any white under them, and the color's going to change. But that's just the way it is in DTF, and it's the same way it goes for screen printing. If you were trying to print something like this, screen print something like this, you can't do that screen print. You cannot, and it's not possible. You have to use halftones, even in screen printing. So if you want to get rid of that nasty looking white haze around your images, make sure that you're using the halftone feature when you upload your image. I'll do one more here just real quickly, to get rid of all that for you. And the warnings are, don't skip over them. It's the same with when you're uploading by size. It's going to give you a warning about the semi-transparency, and they're easily skipped over, but don't skip over it, and then you'll get some great looking DTF transfers. Okay, appreciate it, and if you got any questions, let us know.